If your workshop, garage, or toolbox has been waiting for a proper upgrade, this Black Friday and Cyber Monday lineup delivers real savings on tool chests, socket sets, modular storage systems, and essential mechanic gear. These deals help you organize better, work faster, and replace old equipment without overspending. All product links are in the description, and for live hourly updates, visit thedetailedguide.com. Let's start. Number 17. DEWALT 168-piece Mechanic Tool Set. A complete mechanic tool collection with sockets, hex keys, and specialty pieces for automotive and home repair work. Now $132 was $159.99. This set provides both metric and standard sizing in a rugged molded case that keeps everything organized. The ratchets feel solid under load, and the selection of bits and adapters helps you handle a wide range of repair projects. A dependable starter set or upgrade for holiday buyers.
Number 16. Washsemba Garage Metal Storage Cabinet with Wheels. A rolling metal storage cabinet designed for garages, basements, and tool rooms. Now $103.99 was $129.99. This cabinet includes adjustable shelves that let you customize the space for power tools, paint cans, hardware bins, or cleaning equipment. The wheeled base helps you move it easily around your workspace, and the steel frame provides stability and durability. A solid storage choice for workshops needing more organized vertical space.
Number 15. Steelite 5-drawer rolling tool chest. A versatile metal tool cart with adjustable shelving and detachable top storage. Now $119.99, typical price $149.99. This cabinet uses sliding drawers that hold tools securely, and the lockable wheels keep the chest steady during work. The detachable top adds portability, while the adjustable shelf allows for custom organization. A good mid-size storage upgrade for garages and home workshops at a solid holiday discount. Number 14. AIRAJ 42-inch 8-drawer rolling tool chest. A large rolling cabinet with detachable top box and strong steel construction. Now $159.99, typical price $199.99. This chest includes hooks, dividers, and liners to keep tools in place. The drawers glide smoothly, and the detachable top box helps you carry essential tools separately. A reliable option for anyone expanding garage storage during this season's sale period. Number 13. AIRAJ 40-inch 7-drawer rolling tool chest. A compact steel tool chest for garages, repair rooms, and workshops. Now $111.99, typical price $139.99. 7 drawers provide structured storage, while the detachable top adds flexibility for mobile work. It includes protective liners and side hooks for quick access pieces. A dependable space saver for small work areas. Number 12. LARBANKE 5-drawer rolling tool chest with stainless countertop. A sturdy rolling cabinet with secure drawers and a metal work surface. Now $166.31 was $208.99. The keyed locking system protects your tools, while the liner padding prevents drawer wear. The stainless countertop provides a strong workspace for repairs or small builds, ideal for garages wanting both storage and a work platform.
Number 11. ARNOT 24-inch heavy-duty 6-drawer steel tool chest. A portable steel tool chest with auto-locking drawers and a top storage tray. Now $103.99, typical price $129.99. The drawers glide smoothly and lock automatically to keep tools secure during transport. The top tray gives you quick access to frequently used items, while the side handles make lifting easier.
It's Number 10. LARBANKE multi-section tool chest with stainless countertop. A modular rolling tool station that connects multiple storage modules into one. Now $503.99, typical price $619.99. It includes deep drawers, a sturdy countertop for hands-on repair work, and a secure linking buckle system. Heavy-duty wheels and foot pads ensure smooth movement and stability. A professional storage upgrade. Number 9. Johnson Self-Leveling Rotary Laser Kit. A construction-grade rotary laser system ideal for leveling, layout, and large-scale alignment. Now $462.40, typical price $601.99. This kit includes a durable hard case, tripod compatibility, and long-range visibility. The automatic leveling function saves time, while the tough housing stands up to job site conditions. A reliable instrument for remodelers and contractors upgrading equipment during the holiday sales. Number 8. Winado 4-drawer heavy-duty rolling tool cabinet. A metal rolling tool cabinet built for secure workshop storage. Now $127.89, typical price $165.99. The drawers lock securely, keeping tools safe when not in use. The reinforced frame supports heavy items, while the wheels move smoothly across garage floors. A practical and budget-friendly upgrade for growing tool collections. Number 7. AIRAJ 4-tier stackable rolling toolbox system, a modular rolling organizer designed for mobile or compact tool storage. Now $127.49 was $164.99. The system stacks multiple compartments for power tools, hand tools, and accessories. It rolls easily and withstands heavy use, a great option for contractors and DIY users needing portability. Number 6. Goplus Extra Large 3-in-1 Tool Chest with Wheels, a heavy-duty rolling tool chest with deep drawers and removable sections. Now $191.99 was $249.99. Protective liners keep tools stable while the removable top box supports mobile work. The rolling base handles large weight loads and moves smoothly, a strong value for users who need more capacity at a discounted price. Number 5. KINGTOOL 286-piece home and auto repair kit with power drill, a full repair kit featuring 286 tools and a cordless drill packed into a rolling toolbox. Now $136.76 was $179.99. This set includes wrenches, sockets, pliers, bits, and electrical tools, giving you coverage for home repair, automotive tasks, and DIY projects.
Number 4. AWM 66-piece half-inch impact socket master set, a complete SAE and metric impact socket collection made for demanding mechanical work. Now $103.59 was $139.99. This set includes shallow and deep sockets from 5/16 inch to 1 1/4 inch and 8 to 24 mm sizes, covering most automotive and equipment repair needs.
Number 3. AIRAJ 7-drawer rolling tool chest, a workshop-ready rolling tool cabinet with lockable drawers. Now $159.99, typical price $199.99. This unit offers well-balanced storage space for wrenches, sockets, drills, and hardware. The integrated side drawer improves access to essentials, while the locking system adds security. Excellent pick for garages needing more structured storage. Number 2. Goplus 24-inch 6-drawer steel tool chest, a compact steel chest offering the biggest mobile tool storage savings in the lineup. Now $103.99, typical price $149.99. Automatic locking drawers, smooth slides, and a steel body make this chest ideal for portable tool organization. The top tray holds your frequently used pieces, and liners keep tools from shifting. A strong value for workshop expansion.
Number 1. Goplus 5-drawer rolling tool cabinet with detachable top toolbox, a versatile metal storage cart designed for garages, workshops, and repair rooms. Now $127.49 was $169.49. This rolling cabinet includes 5 smooth sliding drawers, a detachable top toolbox, and a secure lock bar to keep your tools protected. The lockable wheels provide stable positioning, while the protective liners prevent scratches and keep tools from shifting.
If you enjoyed this breakdown, like the video, comment your favorite deal, and subscribe for more updates.